Students always need to be sitting in a comfortable reading environment, surrounded by books and articles. Welcome back to our 30-day video series on UPSC preparation. In today's video, we'll explore effective reading strategies to enhance your general knowledge and improve your performance in the UPSC exams. Let's understand key points about effective reading strategies. Reading plays a pivotal role in UPSC preparation as it helps you build a strong foundation of knowledge, develop critical thinking skills, and stay updated with current affairs. Let's delve into valuable tips and techniques to make the most of your reading sessions. Students need to actively read and highlight important information. First, let's understand the importance of effective reading. Knowledge acquisition. Reading exposes you to a wide range of subjects, helping you expand your knowledge base. It allows you to explore diverse perspectives and deepen your understanding of various topics. Critical thinking. Engaging with different texts enhances your critical thinking abilities. It helps you analyze arguments, evaluate evidence, and form well-informed opinions. Students can practice active reading techniques, such as note-taking and summarizing. Now, let's explore some techniques for effective reading. Previewing. Before diving into a text, spend a few minutes previewing it. Skim through headings, subheadings, and the conclusion to get an overview of the content. This previewing helps you establish a mental framework for better comprehension. Active reading. Engage actively with the text by highlighting key points, underlining important details, and jotting down notes. This active reading technique helps you stay focused and retain information. Students can use external resources, such as online articles or recommended books. To optimize your reading sessions, consider incorporating these techniques. Diversify your reading material. Explore a variety of sources, including books, newspapers, magazines, and reputable online articles. This exposure to diverse content broadens your knowledge and strengthens your understanding of different subjects. Take breaks and reflect. Give yourself short breaks during extended reading sessions. Use these breaks to reflect on what you've read, make connections, and reinforce your understanding. This reflection aids in information retention. Students need to participating in discussions or study groups to enhance learning. To further enhance your reading experience, consider these tips. Participate in discussions. Engage in discussions with fellow aspirants or join study groups to exchange ideas, share perspectives, and gain deeper insights into the topics you've read. This collaborative learning enhances your understanding and critical thinking skills. Make reading a habit. Develop a regular reading habit by setting aside dedicated time each day. Consistency is key to building a strong knowledge foundation and staying updated with current affairs. By incorporating these reading strategies into your UPSC preparation, you'll improve your general knowledge, develop critical thinking skills, and enhance your overall performance in the exams. If you have any questions about effective reading strategies or need recommendations for relevant reading materials, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss powerful techniques for note-taking to optimize your learning and revision process.